Have you ever stumbled upon the terms on-ramp or off-ramp in the crypto world and scratched your head in puzzlement? Well, worry no more. Here's a simple, jargon-free explanation to illuminate your path in the cryptoverse. In the world of digital currencies, an on-ramp refers to the process of converting your traditional government-issued money, often referred to as fiat currency, into cryptocurrency. Think of it as the entrance to a highway, where you're getting on to the fast-paced, exciting world of crypto. On-ramps are usually provided by crypto exchanges or platforms, where you can buy cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any of the thousands of altcoins out there using your fiat money. Now, you're cruising along the crypto highway, trading, investing, and maybe even spending your digital coins. But what happens when you want to exit this highway? That's where the off-ramp comes into play. An off-ramp is essentially the reverse process of an on-ramp. It's the method by which you convert your cryptocurrency back into fiat currency. Imagine you've made some profit from your crypto investments and you want to cash out. Or perhaps you simply want to switch back to traditional money for any number of reasons. You would use an off-ramp, again provided by crypto exchanges or platforms, to make this conversion. So to recap, on-ramps and off-ramps are your entry and exit points in the world of cryptocurrency. An on-ramp lets you convert your traditional money into digital coins, and an off-ramp allows you to turn those digital coins back into fiat currency. Remember, choosing the right on-ramp and off-ramp can be as crucial as choosing the right crypto to invest in. Fees, transaction speeds, and security measures can vary greatly between different platforms. Therefore, always do your research before you step onto or off the crypto highway. In summary, understanding on-ramps and off-ramps is a fundamental part of navigating the crypto world. They are your gateways to the exciting opportunities that lie within the realm of digital currencies, and your safe passage back to the familiarity of fiat money. So next time you hear these terms, you'll know exactly what they mean and how they affect your crypto journey.